Well, we turned the key and we have liftoff. We have compressors. We don't know what that means. Yeah, we don't have gauges or nothing, right? So how do we know how much pressure or anything?
Pretty sure it's off.
Like this. What up, everybody? I know it's been a while since I did the last video on this thing. I've been driving the truck for a couple of months. You've seen it at shows, you've seen it out at cruise meets. And I started getting a lot of comments about when are you gonna get, finished? Did I miss something? What happened to the rear end? What happened to this? How'd you do the gas tank? How'd you do? Here's a video for you. And I appreciate you guys a lot, especially those ones that went and grabbed a t-shirt, because I was not expecting that. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Get one down below in the links in the description. And then watch the video so you can see how we got here. It's bright, it's sunny, and we're getting closer. Might be drive time soon. I've already had that tank in and out. And I just got back from the auto parts store where I picked up some fuel lines and some fittings. We're gonna see if we can make it fire. Oh yeah, and I got everything I need to weld on the shocks. That's it. It's gonna be drive time soon. There's shocks on the truck. There's shocks on the truck. How nice does that look? Time to do some fuel lines. One of these days I'm gonna have a friend over and I'm gonna pay him in energy drinks or coffee to video me while I try these weird things. So here's the connectors. They seem to be okay. And then there's the wires through the frame right there. We're gonna go ahead and put grommets on it. Don't worry, we're gonna put grommets on it. There's grommets all through the frame, as you guys saw. And would you look at this? It worked. It pulled all the way through. I just taped it onto the old wire there that I ran through the frame. And it came through surprisingly easy. None of this wiring looks like it got snagged or cut or torn along the way. So I hope that means that everything else inside is good. Clearly I made it plenty long. So what the heck? Let's go for it. We're gonna call that a success right now, at least until we go to turn the key and see if anything happens. It's alive! It's alive! Well, we must have pressed the right button. Right? We must. I hear something. Where's it leaking? Front? That front one?
Is it?
Mm-hmm. I kind of figured because it's leaking. All right, look at that. We fixed our first leak, Craig. Go ahead, do the back, Craig. Give her hell. We can undo that cord if you want. It works. Still gotta grab 2 bolts. Oh! Look, she's facing the other direction. This could only mean one thing. We've driven it. Nothing crazy. Just around the neighborhood, doing some smoky burnouts. No, but we did take it for a drive just to see everything functioning. And good news, we made it back without calling a tow truck. So that's a plus.